for this particular one, we're using distributive property. And the key is, what does the word distribute mean, right? To distribute means if have one person here and I have two other people here, I'm giving them each something, right? So that's distribute. To distribute something, to give something away. And that's what we do in this type of equation, right? We distribute the 12 to both numbers in the equation. So this is a pretty straightforward one. And I guess they're all kind of straightforward, but this particular one, I can do lots of different ways. I can do y in 4. So that would be 3 times y, which is 3y, and 3 times 4, which is negative 12. And that eliminates these parentheses and distributes the 3 to both things inside. And you can do it tons of different ways. I mean, for particular this one, when it's 12 and y minus 10, you're just simply taking the 12, multiplying it times the y's to get 12y, and then times the 10 to get negative 120. When you see parentheses, you know it means multiplication. That's why to distribute, you do 12 times y and 12 times 10, or negative 10 here. So let's see if I can do another one. Let me pull off the drawing board here and bring it back up. So if you're watching this, then maybe you will follow me and think about it in your head. Okay. So 3 times 4 and 3 times 6, or b rather. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times b is 3b. And that's all you're asked to do here, and it's part of the equation, is just to figure out how to distribute this 3 to everybody. Okay? I'll do one more. So let's do 7, and then a plus b. This means 7 times a and 7 times b. So that would give us 7a plus 7b. And it doesn't matter if you write 7a and 7b or a7 plus b7, because it's going to be, when they're next to each other like this, it still means multiplication. Okay?